Well, he looks like a professor, but Ambassador Khalid Masood, parliamentarians, my former colleagues in media, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity on this great event, the launch ceremony of 10 years of CPEC in Pakistan. I would like to appreciate Pakistan-China Institute for hosting this timely and very important event. This event is important in the sense that it will highlight the significance and outstanding work being done by the Chinese enterprises in Pakistan to the world. Pakistan-China Institute's commitment to promotion of the sustainable endeavors of Chinese enterprises has been pivotal in enhancing the understanding of the public regarding the work of these enterprises. Not a single day passes when we don't hear about the developments by Chinese enterprises on CPEC projects in our media. The professionalism and consistency through which Chinese enterprises continued their work on CPEC despite a global pandemic, when almost every project in the world hit the snag, has been lauded by the governments of Pakistan and China, as well as the international media, which was flooded with stories regarding the resilience of a project of such magnitude. I have observed that over 201 member companies of APCEA have so far invested whopping $25 billion in Pakistan and employed over 85,000 local people, which affirms the notion of CPEC being a game changer and a clear demonstration project of the Belt and Road Initiative. In this report, I have also noted that Chinese enterprises have devised sustainable development strategies and haven't only remained confined to brick and mortar projects like motorways and power plants, but have also contributed significantly to the empowerment of local communities in previously neglected areas like my home province of Sindh in Thar area and neighboring Gwadar in Balochistan. In one of the documentaries produced by the Pakistan-China Institute, I observed that women were driving dumper trucks on the Port Qasim coal power plant. This is the change that we need to tell the world. Similarly, Fakir Primary School and Pak China Technical and Vocational Institute in Gwadar, I believe, are the seeds of change being brought by the Chinese enterprises. I would also like to appreciate increasing cooperation in green development, special economic zones, textiles, agriculture, and digital economy. Upon the special invitation of President Xi Jinping, the heads of two South Asian nations, Prime Minister of Pakistan Anwarul Haq Kakad, attended the third Belt and Road Forum. During this visit, both countries reaffirmed their commitment to China-Pakistan all-weather strategic cooperative partnership and deepened their cooperation across various sectors. They underlined their support for each other on key issues and emphasized the importance of BRI in promoting global economic growth. In the forum, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor was recognized as a pioneering project under BRI, and the two sides agreed to further enhance its development. Additionally, they signed 20 numerous agreements, MOUs, and protocols covering various areas of cooperation, including infrastructure, mining, industry, green development, health, space cooperation, digital economy, and many more. The two countries also expressed their joint commitment to regional peace, stability, and the resolution of long-standing disputes. Prime Minister Kakar invited President Xi to visit Pakistan, underscoring the strength of our bilateral relationship. The continuity of friendly consultations and high-level contacts over past 70 years has consolidated political consensus between our two countries and deepened mutual trust between the two iron brothers. As China-Pakistan cooperation proceeds to a greater depth, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting shall play a greater role in extending all possible cooperation to Chinese enterprises in developing greater understanding and cooperation in the areas of common interest. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and its associated bodies like Pakistan Television, Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation, and Associated Press of Pakistan are already engaged with their counterparts in a structured framework to enhance the media cooperation. Thanks to the efforts of the dedicated officials of the Embassy